This is an easy routine for beginners. Welcome back to Zienna Studio. My name is Ryan and this is my dance partner Beth, and today we're gonna teach you a social foxtrot. We're gonna start with the basic step. It only consists of 4 steps, very easy. We're gonna first show it to you guys together, then we're gonna separate and I'll show the leader steps and Beth will show the follower steps. Let's get into it. So with the basic step, leaders, we're gonna start with our left leg forward, and followers, you're gonna start with your right leg back. We're gonna do 4 steps. Again, here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick. One more time. Leaders, left leg forward, followers, right leg back. Slow, slow, side together. Okay, leaders, I'm gonna start by showing you the steps from behind. You are gonna start with your left leg forward. We're gonna go step forward, forward, side, together. One more time. If I give the timing, it would be slow, slow, quick, quick. Last time, we're going slow, slow, quick, quick. Followers, Beth is now going to show you your steps. She's going to step back with her right leg, and she's gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick. Great, one more time. So back with the right, here we go. Right, left, side together. Last time. And we got slow, slow, quick, quick. Awesome. So the beautiful thing about the basic step is you can just do the basic step in a circle around the ballroom continuously, and it's not a problem. Now, if we want to diversify it, which I'm hoping you guys do too, we're going to put in some more steps. Now, the next step is called a promenade. So the promenade is going to make you guys face the same direction and move in the same direction. So usually in a basic position, we're kind of closed. This is called a closed position. Promenade position, right? So in the closed position, leaders always moving forward, followers always moving back, or vice versa, all right? Now in the promenade position, we're always gonna be moving in the same direction at the same time. The only difference is where we're facing. So with the promenade position, the main thing that's helpful with it is it helps you maneuver around the floor. Great example is here is a wall with a drum. So we are dancing towards this wall and drum. And we're doing the basic step, and we've been doing the basic step. All of a sudden I'm like, if I continue doing this basic step, I'm probably gonna hit that wall. And it's actually not me, it's Beth. So how do we avoid this? I'm glad you asked. The best way to do this is by going into, you guessed it, the promenade position. So we're gonna both go into the promenade position and keep the same timing. We're both gonna step forward. With the promenade position, leaders, you're gonna step forward with your left, followers, you're gonna step forward with your right with the same timing. So we're gonna go forward, forward, side together. All right, so what I'm gonna do is actually we're gonna face away from you guys. So we're gonna do the promenade towards the wall so you both can see what Beth and myself are doing, right? So we're gonna face this way. And we're gonna do our 4 steps, which is gonna be slow, slow, quick, quick. Awesome. Now, I'm gonna show the leader steps right now by myself, and then Beth is gonna show the follower steps. So, leaders, here we are. Before we take a step, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna shift our body out here and kind of move our feet to face the direction that we're going. And then we're gonna go left foot, right foot, side together. One more time. We're going left foot, right foot, side together. All right, followers, here we go. We're gonna look at Beth now. She's gonna first open up, right? Just like she did. Feet are facing the direction she's about to walk into, and so is the body. And she's gonna step with her right leg. So we're gonna go slow, slow, face the wall, quick, quick. Awesome. Beth's gonna do it one more time. Here we go. And slow, slow, quick, quick. That was fantastic, Beth. Thank you so much. Now, If you guys struggle figuring out which one is your left foot or the right foot, I'm sure we've all done this in school. Look at the L, that's your left. Sometimes we don't have time or the opportunity to do that. The best thing to do is use your outside leg. What does that mean? I'll show you. So when we're in the promenade position, spadoosh, this is our outside leg. Woo, yeah. And this is our inside leg. Yeah? It's inside. It's inside the couple, outside the couple, inside. Yeah, thank you. So I'd say always move with your outside leg first, and then we're both moving with our outside leg first, followed by the rest of the steps, as you can see. Great. So we just got the basic step and the promenade step. We're combining the two, and we're going to dance the two. So how are we going to dance them? We're going to do 2 basic steps back to back, and then we're going to go into the promenade. Let's give it a go. So basic step, here we go. 2 back to back. We're going slow, slow, quick, quick. That's 1. Slow, slow, quick, quick. That's 2. Now I want you guys to open up right before that last close, right? So if I do the second basic, I'm going slow, slow. Now I have that side together. So I'm going to step side. On that together, I'm going to slightly open up to get myself going into the promenade position. And now we're going to do the promenade basic, right? We're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick. So let's do it one more time, non-stop. We're going to do the 2 basics and the promenade. Here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Great. All right. Following the promenade, we have a slow reverse turn, and this also consists of 4 steps. If you're going to notice, everything is going to consist of 4 steps. It's super easy. This is basically just to kind of add a little bit more rotation as a couple, right? Because so far we've been pretty linear, right? The basic step has been really linear, and the promenade position, even though we're going into a different direction, it's still linear, right? There's not really any rotation going on. So this is going to be an additional thing that you can have in your ammunition of dancing, okay? So this is going to be our reverse turn. How do we do this reverse turn? Great question. So the way we do this is by leaders, again, stepping with the left leg forward, followers stepping with the right leg back. However, there's going to be a quick change up. So what we're going to do is, first I'm going to show you the rocking version of it, and then I'm going to show you the brushing version, which is a bit more advanced. So the rocking version is very simple. We're going to step, rock, side together, okay? I'm going to show it one more time together, and then we're going to separate. So it's going to be step, rock, side together. All right, leaders, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to turn 3/4 into one direction just so you guys can see all 4 steps. Pretty easy, and just follow through. So left leg, we're stepping forward, rocking back. We're doing a slight rotation to the left and going side together. One more time. So we're going forward, rock back, side together. Last time, forward, rock back, side together. All right, so we got Beth here. She's going to show the follower steps. So she's going to rock back on the right, rock forward on the left, side together. Done deal. Here we go again. And rock on the right, back on the left, da, da. Last time, Beth, here we go. Looking great. And step and rock and side together. Awesome. So that was the basic concept of that basic reverse. Now I wanted to show you the brush. Now the brush makes it look a little bit neater. Let's show you what that looks like. So the rock is this, right? We're rocking, rocking, side together. Now the brush is this. Step and brush, step, brush, side together. Looks nicer, right? I do think so too. So, one more time, brush. This is really what it's going to be like. It's going to be step, brush, side together. So, step, brush, side together. Okay guys, so now we have the basic step, we have the promenade, and we have the reverse basic. Now, this next step is gonna be like a little, it's just like a little vibe, you know? It's basically a second position rock. And this is, if not the easiest, it's super easy for sure. You guys got a lot of these other steps that are more challenging. So this one is literally a side together, side together, side together. That's all it is. So what does that look like? We're gonna show you from Beth's perspective. She's gonna go side together, side together, side together. Yeah, one more time. So side brush, side step. And side brush, side step. Great. I'm going to turn around so you guys can follow me. Leaders, here we go. Again, leaders, we're always going to the left. Followers, you're always going to the right. So it's going to be left, right, left, right. One more time. And left, right, left, right. So followers for you would be right, left, right, left. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all these steps together. We're going to have this mini routine. And we're gonna try it to music at the end, okay? Let's do it. All right, we're gonna do them as I call out the steps. Here we go, starting with the basic. We're gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick, one more basic. Slow, slow, quick, into promenade. Slow, slow, quick, quick, into basic reverse. Slow, slow, quick, quick, into second position breaks. Slow and quick, quick. And restart into the Foxtrot basic. All right, guys, here we go. Starting with two basics, promenade, reverse, and second position. Here we go. 5, 6, and we go. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this beginner routine, we will have more coming up in the next couple of weeks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.